Hello students, good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Very good morning.
Very good morning guys. So, students, have I given you any homework yesterday?
Yes.
Right. So I hope everybody has done this homework.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. So we now fast. How many of you have done? Show me then. Chalo, fast. Who is showing me the homework? Harshika. Then Pawan has done. Good, right. Very good. Pawan and Harshika has completed. Any other? Who was there yesterday? Nitin? Neil Purohit was there. Mayur was there. Rishi. Right. Mayur has completed the homework.
मयूर किया है?
Okay, Mayur has done. Sasank, have you completed the homework that I have given yesterday? Okay, Sasank has also completed. Pawan, what about Pawan? Show me your homework. Galaxy नहीं देखना मुझे.
ये निधि को देखो मैम मैसेज कर रही है एवरीवन में.
Pawan has completed. Good. Okay. Neil Purohit was present yesterday.
Yeah.
Have you completed the homework? Okay, now students, I just want to tell you that okay. Now today we will start our next chapter, that is chapter 8 in the maths, quadrilaterals.
Which chapter?
Chapter 8, quadrilaterals. That is on page number 135. Page number 135. Open in your
Okay.
textbook.
हाँ ये रहा.
Open. See students, in this chapter only one sum is there, that is there in the exercise 8.1. 8.2 whole exercise is reduced by the government. Okay, so we are not going to worry about that, but today we have lots of time, so we will understand every topic of this chapter. So first of all, as you know, how can we draw the triangle?
ऐसे 3 sides.
3 sides close figure. Okay, we can say 3 sides joining with each other and make a close figure. That is called the triangle. Now, what are the properties of triangle? What are the properties of triangle? Okay, I will say you. It has 3 sides as well as 3 angles, right?
Okay.
If we look about the types of triangle on the basis of sides, that is divided into the 3 types. 3 types are there. One is equilateral triangle, having all the 3 sides equal. Second is scalene triangle, and third is isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle means what? None of the sides are equal. Isosceles is what? Isosceles triangle means having 2 equal sides in a triangle. So these are the types of triangle on the basis of sides, right? कौन अभी ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा है?
कौन कर रहा है? कोई नहीं.
I can hear the voice of vessels. That's why.
मैं वीडियो ऑन करवा सकती.
Okay. ऐसा कुछ हो तो माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए ना और खाली वीडियो ऑन रखिए. Good. Harshika. Voice was coming from your side. Okay. So on the basis of the sides, the triangle are have the three types: equilateral, second is isosceles, and third is scalene triangle, right? Instead, now we are talking about the angles. On the basis of the angles, again triangle has three different types. One is the right angle triangle, means having one angle as a 90-degree. Second triangle is what? Which types are there? Acute angle triangle, and next is obtuse angle triangle, right? Nidhi want to say something?
Right angle triangle.
Huh. And right angle triangle. In case of obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle in the triangle is more than 90-degree. In case of acute angle triangle, all the three
Less than
angles
90-degree.
measures less than
Less
90
than.
degree. Okay. These are the properties of triangle, right?
Yes. And right angle 90-degree.
Right. In right angle triangle, that is a 90-degree. Right. Now, second topic is collinear. What do you understand by the collinear? What do you understand by collinear?
Collinear.
Hmm.
कहाँ है collinear?
Means if all the points lie in the same point. You can see in your textbook 8.1 figure is given. The points are lying in the same plane or in the same area, that is called the collinear points. In your textbook, you can see that first diagram or first figure it says about the line. Second, oh beta,
कुछ right.
okay. Second figure is of triangle. As you know, everybody, how to draw this triangle. Third is four-sided closed figure, and that is called the quadrilateral. The rectangle, square are also called as the quadrilateral. And next is given four-sided closed figure, and that is also called as a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, like a rectangle and a square, it has a four sides as well as four angles. Are learning about the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it has a four sides. We can say that A, B, C and D as a name. Quadrilateral having the four sides and has a four angle. This for the one side, the second line, third side and the fourth side. Here one angle, second angle, third angle and the fourth angle. So quadrilateral having the four sides and the four angles. Okay, this is about the quadrilateral. Now, if we are talking about the parts of the triangle, parts of the quadrilateral, you know what sides? The four sides are there and four angles are there. If we are talking about the sides, we become what? First we are going with this side. Become AB, next is BC, next is BD, and next is the BA, or we can say AD. These are the four sides. Now similarly, we have to go with the angles. So what are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. These are the four angles. Now, one more thing is that in case of the quadrilateral, joining the opposite angles, AC, this will become your diagonal. So AC and here if you are joining this one, become BD are the two diagonals of this quadrilateral. So we can say here diagonals. So which two diagonals are present? So diagonals are here AC and here BB are the two diagonals of this quadrilateral. These things are present in the one quadrilateral, four sides, four angles, and two diagonals. Okay. Now the question arises that what is the sum of these four angles? So the sum of these four angles, that is called angle sum property of a quadrilateral. What we can call angle sum property of quadrilateral means the sum of all the four angles in the quadrilateral is 360. Means or we can say right that here I am writing angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. This is called as the angle sum property 360. This is called the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The sum of all four angles is equal to 360. Okay. Hope students you have understood this all. In case of the triangle, quadrilateral. सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is there in case of the quadrilateral? So quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, as well as two diagonals.
Diagonals.
Two diagonals, and second is that angle sum property of quadrilateral means the sum of
Is
all four
360.
is 360, right? So that is that you have to remember.
Sides of the sums
On the
is 360.
basis of that, we have one sum only in this chapter. Okay. So hope you understood the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Now we are going ahead with the types of quadrilateral. Which types of quadrilaterals are present, and that is there in our syllabus. Okay. So you can come on page number 137.
मैम ये कौन सा था?
हाँ?
ये वाला कौन सा था, मतलब बुक में से उसको टिक करूँ ना?
हम लोग है ना चैप्टर 8 कर रहे हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स.
हाँ वो तो पता चला, मतलब लेकिन ऐसे बोल रही हूँ ये कौन सा वो था, मतलब सम इसमें से था कि मैं टिक करूँ तो सेकंड टाइम रिवाइज कर सके उसको.
ये है ना, वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द चैप्टर.
ओके.
सम अभी कोई भी नहीं है. ये आपका जो इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है ना, वही हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं आपको इन डिटेल.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. ओके.
तो आपको उसको ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो दिस क्वाड्रिलेटर फोर साइडेड, इट आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द पैरेललोग्राम.
हाँ पैरेललोग्राम.
Okay, now we are doing the types of quadrilateral that is there in your figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.5 figure is there, right? In that 5 is given.
टाइप्स ऑफ quadrilaterals, नहीं ना?
Types of quadrilaterals. Which type of and how many types are present in this quadrilateral? So first is given what? See, table-like structure. How we can draw the table?
Rectangle type.
Rectangle type, but two sides will be parallel and another is not parallel. This is like a table. And this is called the trapezium.
Yes, trapezium.
Trapezium means what? This side is parallel to each other. They will never intersect to each other, right? This side is parallel to each other and the other side is not parallel. So we can say that it is a trapezium. Okay? Now, in second figure, this way. If we don't know about any sides or any angle, and all the two lines are parallel to each other, then we can say that is the parallelogram. Okay, these two types of quadrilaterals are there. So first again we are repeating, this is called as the trapezium, right? It also has four sides, four angles, and the two diagonals, right? Now secondly we are going with the parallelogram which has what? All the sides are parallel to each other. It is called the parallelogram. But in
And
case
it
of
is a
this
close figure.
trapezium, what? In case of this trapezium, only one side is parallel to each other, another side is not parallel to each other. So that is called trapezium, and then is parallelogram. This is called the
Parallelogram.
parallelogram. Now we are discussing about this. I am just drawing it properly. What is it?
Parallelogram.
It is called as a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal, right?
Yes.
Opposite sides are equal and all the four angles are of 90 degrees. This is called the rectangle. Rectangle means opposite side. Opposite मतलब सामने सामने वाली साइड इक्वल होती है and all the angles are of 90 degrees. That is called the rectangle. Now next concept is square. What do you mean by the square? What do you understand by the square?
Square.
Here all the four sides are equal and four angles are of 90 degrees. Now students remember one thing. Square can be a rectangle. Square can be a rectangle, but rectangle cannot be a square. Remember this thing. Square can be a rectangle, but rectangle cannot be a square. Why? Tell me the reason. Because in case of the square,
Because square has the four sides have the equal. Square
हाँ,
have four sides equal.
and rectangle,
And rectangle has not.
rectangle
have
have only
not.
opposite sides are equal. So,
Yes.
so we can say this square can be a rectangle, but rectangle cannot be a square. Okay. Now remember this. Now, next is what? Rhombus. Rhombus means what? All the four sides equal, but angles are of not 90 degree. That is called the rhombus. So here I am drawing the diagram. Rhombus means what? All the four sides are equal, but these angles are of not 90. वो 90 के नहीं होते. Only four sides are equal, but the angles are of not 90. There is a difference between square and rhombus. In case of rhombus, four sides are only equal, but in case of square, four sides as well as four angles are equal. Okay. And next is given as a kite. You have drawn the kite, right? बहुत बार बनाई भी होगी ना kite आपने घर पे. This is the shape of the kite. You can see it in the textbook also, somewhat like this.
मम्मी आवाज काय कर रहे हैं?
This is the shape of the kite. Okay. So what do you understand by the kite? See. This is a kite. Here, see. Two pairs of adjacent sides. These two sides are equal. This is called the adjacent sides. Now remember the difference. Here what is given? Two adjacent sides are equal, right? But in case of the rectangle, what? Two opposite sides are equal. Remember the difference. In case of the rectangle, two opposite sides are equal, right? But in case of the kite, two adjacent sides are equal. Understood this much? Have you understood this all the types of quadrilaterals?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So revise one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is what?
Okay. Trapezium. Trapezium.
Trapezium. What is the property of trapezium?
Two opposites two sides are
Only one
equal.
opposite side is equal. Sorry. Only opposite sides are parallel, not equal. Okay.
Parallel.
Second is parallelogram. All the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay. Next one is the rectangle.
Rectangle.
Case of
Opposite
rectangle,
sides are equal.
opposite sides are equal and second property will be, what will be the second
90.
property? Angles are of 90 degrees. Okay.
हाँ.
Next is the square. First property will be
Square. All sides are equal.
All
all
sides
the
are equal.
sides
And
are equal
and
as well as
make the
angles are
angle.
equal.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
हाँ.
Square can be a rectangle, but rectangle cannot be a
Cannot
square.
be a square.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this is what, which figure? All the four sides are equal. What is the name
Rhombus.
of it?
Rhombus.
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 Rhombus. Okay. This is rhombus. In case of rhombus, all the four sides are equal,
Are
but
equal, but angles is 90 degrees not.
angles are not of 90 degree. Now last but not the least, last is what?
Adjacent sides are equal.
Animals like
Parallel.
it. Mostly boys like to
Adjacent
fly
sides.
to kite.
Adjacent sides are parallel.
Here adjacent sides are parallel, or we can say two pair of adjacent sides are parallel to each other. Okay, this is
Okay.
all about the types of quadrilaterals. Okay. Last, we are just learning some related properties of square, rectangle, and rhombus of this parallelogram. Okay. So the first property is given on page number 138. Open the page number 138. Have you opened the page number 138?
Yes, open it.
138. So in that, first one is given, a square is a rectangle and also a rhombus. So square, we can say square, this square can be a rectangle as well as rhombus also, because rhombus has a four side equal. So square को हम rhombus and rectangle बोल सकते हैं in short. Okay, but rhombus cannot be a square.
Okay.
Okay. Now next, a kite is not a parallelogram. Why? A kite. Second point.
Because is not have a four sides equal.
Because the sides are not parallel to each other.
Okay.
The adjacent sides are equal in case of a kite, but the sides are not parallel to each other. Okay.
Parallel to each other. Okay.
Now next is given, a parallelogram is a trapezium. पैरेललोग्राम को ट्रेपेजियम बोल सकते हैं, क्यों?
क्योंकि उसकी दो साइड्स पैरेलल हैं.
हाँ, पर हमें ट्रेपेजियम में खाली एक ही चाहिए, एक एक्स्ट्रा मिल रही है तो हमें बेनिफिट है, बराबर. बाकी एटलीस्ट वी वांट वन पेयर पैरेलल इन केस ऑफ अ ट्रेपेजियम, बट पैरेलल हैज अ बोथ द साइड पैरेलल, राइट? सो a parallelogram can be a trapezium, but trapezium cannot be a parallelogram. Okay. Okay. Now next topic is given, a trapezium is not a parallelogram. As you know, trapezium को हम parallelogram नहीं बोल सकते. क्यों नहीं बोल सकते? Because trapezium में only one pair is parallel to each other. But
in parallelogram two sides are parallel to each other.
हाँ, parallelogram में हमें दोनों sides, all the sides parallel to each other होनी चाहिए, right? That is the difference. A rectangle or a rhombus is not a square. Rectangle और rhombus को हम square नहीं बोल सकते, right?
Yes.
What is the reason?
क्योंकि रेक्टेंगल की दो साइड्स पैरेलल है, दोनों साइड्स, और रोम्बस और स्क्वायर की नहीं है।
नहीं नहीं,
वो दोनों की
पैरेलल तो स्क्वायर भी है, रेक्टेंगल भी है, बट रेक्टेंगल में क्या होता है, ओनली ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, इक्वल,
yes,
ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, पर स्क्वायर के लिए तो हमें चारों साइड इक्वल ही चाहिए,
हाँ
इसीलिए वो रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर नहीं बन सकता एंड रोम्बस भी नहीं बन सकता, क्योंकि रोम्बस में क्या चाहिए हमें, ऑल द फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल,
फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल।
पर रेक्टेंगल में ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल इससे,
हाँ
right? So this is all about the types of quadrilateral as well as some properties of this quadrilateral, right? Now tomorrow only we'll discuss the properties of parallelogram, but before that just revise all the things again. Okay, chalo. What are the
Yes,
properties
ma'am.
of triangles? What do you know about the triangle?
three sides, it makes the three angles,
Good.
three
Three
sides
sides
close
and three
together.
angles. On the basis of sides, the triangle have three different types. Which types are there? On the basis of sides, the triangle have three different types. Which types are there?
Two different types.
Jai, Vedant, Urvashi, Devansi also is there now. Then Rishit, Neil, Bolo, Riddhi, Shashank, Nidhi, Pawan, Harshita, Shashank. Okay. These three types are equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, and isosceles triangle. On the basis of angles, triangle is classified into the three different types: right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Right? These are the properties and types of the triangle. Next, we have discussed that about the quadrilateral. In case of the quadrilaterals, four sides are there, four angles are there, and two diagonals are there. These 10 parts are there in case of the quadrilateral. Now, some property, angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The sum of four angles in case of the quadrilateral is 360, right? And then we have discussed about the types of quadrilateral. In that, first we discuss about the trapezium, second is parallelogram, third is rectangle, fourth is square, fifth is rhombus, and sixth is kite. So these are the types of quadrilaterals. And then we have discussed about the properties, interrelated properties of these all quadrilaterals. Hope students you have understood all this topic of today, right?